Hey everybody, Spartan from SpartanTrading.com. Want to hit you guys with another trade review today, and in this video I want to talk about some of the low floats I've been trading. Basically one long that I did today and then one short that I did. Actually, I'm currently still in it. Maybe we can complete the trade on this video. We'll see. But anyways, today is March 24th, 2021, if you want to go back and look at the day and what I was looking at and trading. So HPR, first one I want to talk about. So this was one small cap name that started to break out off the lows. Basically, I started to pay attention to it around 584. Once it started to push into the 13 EMA, which is when I started to look to get into the position, I saw that it was breaking through that level with some resistance, had room basically into the top 854, then the 891 area on the upside, which made sense from a risk reward perspective. We've had these low float stocks kind of running lately, so decided to go after it. This name basically, like I said, broke that level of resistance. The risk reward made sense to the upside. I was risking about, I think, 60 cents to make $2 at the time. So you can see that obviously I entered at let's just see here, 689 spot, sold a little bit in 704, 723, 791, added it a little bit at 815, which I believe was after the first unhalt. And then it pushed into the 960s, 950s, 990s, sold some more there. And then I believe it halted again. And then after the next unhalt, I grabbed a whole bunch of it about 1064, 1037, 1046. And then it halted again and then opened up at 1160, which I ended up dumping 3/4 of it. And then it was going to halt at 1083, which is actually where it's currently halted right now. And typically what we see was when something's going to halt, the L2 will be pinned on the bid and the ask side. It will just be, you'll stay there at the same level for, maybe 3, 4, 5 seconds, and then it will halt. I was noticing that price action on the way down, and then I ended up cutting out the entire position. So all in all, I don't know what that trade was. 689 minus 1162, 4 or 5 points, something like that. Let's just do the math here. Full day of trading, can't think of it off the top of my head. 471, 470. So, decent trade for $4.70 to the upside. Basically, it was just playing the momentum and playing the volume, adding into it when I thought was the right time. Now, another short that I want to talk about just real quick. After hours, might as well talk about it. Basically, this GIGM, I saw some topping on it after hours, took it short right here. I'm still in it. Covered some right here, and if basically it gets back above the 760 level on the upside, I'm going to end up exiting the rest of the position. So, whenever you see topping on a name, if you are a short seller, obviously make sure the risk reward makes sense to take it. In this case, it did. And what I've been noticing too is a lot of these names that have been running, these smaller stocks, especially in the after hours, have been giving it back after they get that first initial run. So that's kind of the price action I was looking for. But anyways, we'll see what happens with it. Again, just wanted to show you, maybe I can complete the trade, during the little video here, but obviously not enough time. Anywho, that's it, guys. And my target on this right now is going to be around the 620, 630 level. So if I can get there, I'll cover the rest of it most likely, or cover 3/4 of it. Breaks that level of support, I'll be looking for the next leg down towards the, pretty much the close price, $4.90, $5 area. But anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can go to SpartanTrading.com. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next week.